Hey guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So today we have this car. This is a Toyota Auris. We are going to install expander so that it can reach more frequency on channels. So it's very easy to install. Actually, I'm going to show you everything. So I've already ordered the
Hello
antenna.
guys,
This is the
Kevin
expander,
Auto
FM
Insider here. So
expander.
today
This
I'm
is
going to
20
show you how
hertz.
we connect this
Okay,
expander
and
to
I'm going
our
to
car.
unpack with you.
So this is what
So
we call the expander.
this is what we call the
We usually connect it
antenna,
with the radio
the
in case
expander. This has
the
20 hertz
radio has
as I
no
told you.
more channels for the FM.
So
So
now we are
this is
going
what
to
you
fix
find
it
after you
in
order.
this car. These are the channels that I
So
can be able to
see,
access in this
so this I've just
expander.
ordered
So
for my client. I'm going
I'm now
to now
going to
install
fix
through
in
this
this
radio.
car.
So
This is the
I'm going to show
radio.
you every
I'm
step that
now
we be doing
going to
this.
unscrew
Remember to
this
subscribe
and
Auto Insider.
make sure this expander works
So from
on
that
this
now we are going
system.
to remove
So
this antenna
after
here.
removing, I'm now going to
We are now
unplug
going to
this
plug it in
there,
this here.
and this way I'm going
Then
to
we are going
insert
to
this
now
expander
plug
there,
this in the
there
radio
inside.
and connect this
Then
to power. Just by that
I'm going
you
to
have
use this
increased the
as power
frequency
on.
of this car
This is the wire
in
that should
FM
feed with the power on.
frequency model. Remember to subscribe
Very
Kevin
easy
Auto
to
Insider.
install. Actually, you
Thank you.
can do it on your own. So I've already found the power for the on. There's the power on or either accessory. I'm now going to use a tape here. So be very keen when you're doing this so that you don't have a short circuit on this. So in case you have an issue with your radio has no channels, remember you can reach out to us and we'll help you fix these issues. We can install also for you dash cam and also reverse cameras, and your car will be safety when you're driving. So I've already plugged there, so I'm now going to connect this inside there. So just like that, make sure it's firm, and now I'm going to insert this to the radio. So just like that, now we are good to go. Simple start. Remember to use some masking tape there so that becomes firm. So now I'm going to turn the stereo there, and it's working. Now the frequency has been good, and the radio is very fine and very clear. So in case you need such service, either programming of keys, reach out to us. Thank you.